Alright, here we go. We have the Takuoo fully charged up. You see it? Boom. There we go. On high. Okay. No, there's only until it's high. Reverse only has just reverse. Alright, we're letting us respect down to I think 125. Alright, ready? Wow. Got some power. Some lug nuts. Wow, that's like they got a lot of power. Nice. Kind of reminds me of the old Milwaukee mid-torques before they went all square. I mean, it's the same size. It's pretty big. 3 modes: high, medium, low. It has reverse and then the auto. Right, reverse. What is it? There we go. Pull the trigger, watch, on reverse. See? Take the lugging off. So, in forward, full speed. Low. Medium. And high. Wait, that was medium. Sorry, hard to one-handed. Where's high? It says it's 2,500 RPMs or 2,300 RPMs. But I don't know if I believe it or not, because it's going about the same speed as my Flex. My Flex only goes, I think, 2,200. So we got the old RPM meter here and check it out. Lane.
Man, the next morning, I forgot what I was doing. I think I was cleaning up. Tape recorder. She done planted a recorder in my apartment. I swear for
in your apartment. If he married to me while he got an apartment, it's my apartment too.
So you put tape recorder?
So you put a tape recorder? Yes, I did.
I use them every day and it's pretty good. You see, heavy duty.